So basically this balloon will be tied to their waist and you have to protect your balloon and you have to prick on the other person. Guys, can we have everybody, can we have everybody inside? This balloon will be tied behind.
Hello?
Side.
Okay. We all will go back. Go. Guys, पीछे.
Go back.
दो कदम पीछे.
करना क्या इन लोग को? What they have to do? What they have to do?
They have to break the balloon. It will be the winner. Other one have to break the other balloon. So and he has to protect his balloon also.
Oh.